Hi, welcome to your 8 facts. You can see here from the list there's only 3 facts that we need to take care of in this video, although we may end up doing it over 2 videos. We need to do 8 times 3, 8 times 7, and 8 times 8. You'll notice that 8 times 6 says the even 6 trick. You can actually do this one with the same trick that we use for 8 times 3, double, double, and double, but the even 6 trick is easier, so I'm just going to leave it here as the even 6 trick and just focus on 8 times 3. You want to make sure you jot this down because you'll want to have the rules for how to handle the different facts. So let's go ahead and start with the 8 times 3. So for 8 times 3, we know we're doing an 8 fact, so we're going to go ahead and circle the 8 because it's an 8 trick, and we're going to underline the 3 because the action's on the 3. Now we've gotten really good at these doublings. With times 2, we doubled a number. With times 4, we doubled and doubled again. So with times 8, we're going to double again like we did with the 4s, but then we're going to double one more time. So we're going to actually double it 3 times. So we might want to put down a little dot, make sure we get it doubled as many times as we need. So first we're going to double 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So there's our first double. Then we're going to double again. 6 plus 6 is 12. Then we're going to double one more time. 12 plus 12 is 24. So 8 times 3 is 24. So it's pretty straightforward. Now we'll do 8 times 7. The trick for 8 times 7 is 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me get us a clean window here. 5, 6, 7, 8. You notice if you count in order, 5, 6, 7, 8. Also, if you've ever seen anyone do any dance choreography, when they start counting before they dance, they always start at 5. They go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then they start to dance. So remembering that we want to start with 5, 6, 7, 8, that will help us remember the answer to 7 times 8. The way we do it is we take the 5, 6, we put an equal to sign, and then we put a little times sign between the 7 and 8. And there we have the answer right in front of us of this multiplication fact. 56 is equal to 7 times 8. So that's the trick. So the hardest part is just recognizing it. When we see 7 times 8, we have to remember 5, 6, 7, 8. And of course, when we see it written backwards, 8 times 7, we also have to remember that 8 times 7 is the same as 7 times 8, and again, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those can be a little bit tricky because it's not actually a process, an action like the other ones are. It's something visually that you have to see and remember how to find the answer. The next fact is the 8 times 8. And I think we're probably going to run out of time how to do this one. But let's go ahead and work on it for a couple minutes, and then we will review all our facts in the second video. For 8 times 8, the word 8 rhymes with the word skate. So what I want you to think of is an ice skating rink with 2 people skating, and when they're skating on this ice skating rink, I want you to think of a bunch of candy on the floor, making the floor very sticky. And they're skating on this sticky floor. And we'll leave it at that, and when we get to the next video, we'll talk about how skating on a sticky floor gives us the answer to 8 times 8. We'll see you in the second half of this video.